One of the hardest things that you're going to face as a direct-to-consumer e-commerce entrepreneur is figuring out what the hell to sell. Well, in this video, I want to give you a very, very cool strategy with a very, very cool website that's going to help you come up with oodles of lovely, profitable product ideas. If you like this kind of information, subscribe, thumbs up, comment below. Let's go. This is an awesome website. I just discovered it. It's a website that analyzes and aggregates reviews and positive mentions on social media. Okay, that's the basis of it. And so the way that you're supposed to use it is anytime you're looking to make a purchase, you come here, type in the thing you're looking to purchase, and then you'll be able to, then it all gets ranked from number of mentions it gets to least, so you can actually see what are people who buy the product, what do they genuinely have to say about it, okay? Which is how you are supposed to use this. So if we put in here hammock, for instance, there we go. Well, this is the most highest rated hammock across lots and lots of different websites, so it aggregates them all together, kind of like Rotten Tomatoes does for movies, this does for products, okay? Gives you all this information, which is great, super cool. However, that is not the best utilization of this, I don't think. For us as e-commerce entrepreneurs, if you come down here to Reddit's favorite products all in one place, and then click on view all, you can then find out all the highest ranked products across all these different what's called subreddits, and you can use that information to either come up with product ideas for yourself, which is a cool thing to do, or come up with wholesale ideas for yourself. Like if you find a product, for instance, like clearly the Warbanet Blackbird XLC is the highest rated hammock on Reddit, okay? So does that sell in Australia? It doesn't. Okay, well there's a distribution opportunity and you get to leverage off all of that positive feedback that's all out there on the interwebs, okay? So that's a very, very cool way of using it as well for wholesale products. But I also like the idea as well of using it for product research to see why a particular product is doing so well, what they could do better. So if we go to Amazon, here we go. So they're selling on Amazon, great, that's good to know. Where is their product? Want a compound. Okay, maybe they're not actually selling on Amazon, maybe I'm an idiot. In which case, that's awesome. Why aren't they selling on Amazon? Let's try an even more specific search. Hammock. Okay. Well, that didn't work as planned, but that's actually an interesting little thing. They're not selling their products on Amazon. Does that mean that you ought to potentially go contact them and see if they want to get onto Amazon? I would say absolutely. So what I was going to show you, let's just go with something else, is if I was wanting to get into this niche, I'd find the top seller here, like what gets the best positive feedback, and then I'd understand why it gets the best feedback by checking out all of the 5-star reviews. Why does this get the best feedback? What do people like about it? How can I incorporate that into my hammock? Okay, that's where I'd start with that, and then I'd go look at 3-star reviews to see what they can improve. 5-star reviews, what they're doing very, very well. 3-star reviews, what they need to improve. Okay, very, very easy. Anyway, I love that super little tool. Loria, L-O-O-R-I-A, Loria.com. Really, really great. Very, very cool tool. Great research done for us. That was a video from my regular weekly Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We're a community of over 2,000 members and growing. We are the fastest growing e-commerce direct-to-consumer community around the world, with sales, by the way, of over $70 million. That's our members' sales are $70 million per annum. If you would like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own direct-to-consumer e-commerce business utilizing things like Shopify and Amazon and eBay, Facebook, TikTok, etc., get yourself off to www.AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs, the link for that is in the description, .com.au, and I will see you on the other side. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.